How to use CamScanner Premium. Hi everyone, if you're looking to use CamScanner Premium, here's a simple guide to help you get started. First, make sure you have CamScanner installed on your device. Open the app, and once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface. To access the premium features, tap on the Me tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you will find options such as Upgrade My Account or Enjoy Premium. Simply tap on one of these options to proceed. To unlock CamScanner Premium, you may need to verify your academic status by entering your school email. After verification, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your subscription. Once your premium access is activated, you'll be able to enjoy a range of exclusive features. These include unlimited scans, an ad-free experience, and documents without watermarks. Additionally, you'll gain access to ID mode scanning, which allows you to scan passports, licenses, and other important documents with ease. You'll also benefit from high-resolution collages, extra cloud storage, and better file organization. That's all you need to do to start using CamScanner Premium. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials. Thanks for watching.